So we're going to show you how to install your cam truss plate. Now this is the updated plate. It's got the countersunk holes. Now if you got the regular plate, they torque down to 18 foot-pounds, but if you got the countersunk, they 11 foot-pounds. Do know if you over tighten these to 18, you can crack the plate on this countersunk style. The countersunk one we got is from MELLING, and that's the part number if you're looking for one too. And it's going on this 5.3. Now we are cleaning up the gasket place and the place where it meets here. Just make sure it's super clean, have no gunk or anything on it, because you want the gasket on the back of your truss plate to pretty well, you know, seat. And I always recommend changing these if they are flat, because this has a lot to do with your oil pressure, guys. You don't want to reuse this, and they're cheap enough, just change them out. So once you get it clean, you will be using the supplied bolts that comes in the box right here. They got factory Loctite on them, and they are a T40 Torx bit if you need to know the size. Just line everything up. You can just snug your bolts up for now in a crisscross pattern. You do not want to do it all, you know, tighten one all the way down before the other ones, because you can make it not set on the engine the way it needs to be, and that will cause you to have oil pressure issues, and can also cause you to crack the plate. So take your time and snug each one up by hand, and then torque them down in a crisscross pattern to the proper torque specs. Again, depending on the plate you use will depend on your torque specs. Regular bolt plate, like the factory, not this updated style, will be 18 foot-pounds. This style is 11 foot-pounds. If you're using this as inch-pounds, you need to convert inch-pounds to foot-pounds, and 132 is 11 foot-pounds, basically. 132 inch-pounds is 11 foot-pounds. And that's all you need to do. Just double check them, make sure everything's torqued in good. So if you guys want to know and you skip past the part, I showed you the part number. This is the part number for the countersunk plate that we used on this 5.3. Now we are zipping the plugs on this because we are getting ready to time this motor, and I will have a video on timing your LS coming very soon. So be sure to get subscribed for that if it's something you enjoy watching. And if you found this video helpful, drop a like, leave a comment, and if I forgot any information, leave it in the comment section for other people to find. Thank you for watching. See you next time.